Welcome to my channel. Now learning English with Tom.
Mom, today I want to learn kitchen words.
Okay, I will teach you 20 kitchen words.
Yay! What are they?
Listen and repeat after me, okay?
Yes, Mom, I'm ready.
Cup. I drink milk from a cup.
I drink milk from a cup.
Plate. The food on the plate.
The food on the plate.
I eat cereal in a bowl.
I eat cereal in a bowl.
Spoon. Use a spoon to stir the soup.
Use a spoon to stir the soup.
Fork. I use a fork to eat my salad.
I use a fork to eat my salad.
Knife. Be careful with the knife.
Be careful with the knife.
Pan. We cook eggs in a pan.
We cook eggs in the pan.
Pot. The pasta is boiling in the pot.
The pasta is boiling in the pot.
Oven. We bake cookies in the oven.
We bake cookies in the oven.
Toaster. I make toast in the toaster.
I make toast in the toaster.
Blender. We use the blender to make smoothies.
We use the blender to make smoothies.
Grater. You can use the grater for cheese.
You can use the grater for cheese.
Peeler. Use your peeler to remove the skin from the apple.
Use your peeler to remove the skin from the apple.
Cutting board. Chop vegetables on the cutting board.
Chop vegetables on the cutting board.
Measuring cup. We need a measuring cup for the flour.
We need a measuring cup for the flour.
Ladle. I use a ladle to serve the soup.
I use a ladle to serve the soup.
Colander. Pour the pasta into the colander to drain water.
Pour the pasta into the colander to drain water.
Tongs. I use tongs to pick up the hot food.
I use tongs to pick up the hot food.
Whisk. Whisk the eggs until they are fluffy.
Whisk the eggs until they are fluffy.
Dishwasher. The dishwasher cleans the dirty dishes.
The dishwasher cleans the dirty dishes. Wow, that was great, Mom. Can we learn more tomorrow?
Of course, sweetie. What do you want to learn about?
Can you teach me some common verbs?
Okay, my love. Please subscribe to my channel to catch the upcoming lessons.